So here's a quick and easy technique you can use, guys, if you're dealing with an engine, multi-cylinder engine that's experienced a dead miss or even a fairly serious miss on one of the cylinders. Here's a quick technique you can use in order to isolate which cylinder is likely the issue. It won't tell you the cause. For that you'll have to refer to troubleshooting technique 101, right? Factors: fuel, air, compression, timing, oversight, rotation, and spark. But we've talked about that in the past. So again, this engine is fairly cold. I was driving it a short time ago, guys, but it's quite cool at this point. Let me start it. I've induced a dead miss on one of the cylinders. Quick and easy way to isolate which cylinder is the issue, and then take it from there with respect to, again, what's inducing what's the root cause of the issue. Let me start the car. Okay, so just in the driver's seat here, guys, we have a dead miss, as I said. That much has already been established. I'm just going to crank it in clear flood mode here for a second. Okay, so clear flood mode there. You can hear the even crank. So it's not likely a compression issue that you're actually dealing with, right? Takes 2 seconds to actually carry out that test, and gives you an idea. It's not definitive, but it's a starting point. It's unlikely to be a compression issue, right? Let me actually start the car and we'll see and feel the dead miss. Yeah, she's shaking like a bitch, right? I don't know if you can see, pick that up in the camera, guys. Camera doesn't actually do a great job of picking it up. Take my word for it. It's shaking pretty good. There you go. I'll give you a better idea just how much it's actually shaking. Okay, so we have a dead miss, as I said. Conveniently, my heat shield is gone from the exhaust here, guys. Right? If you have a exhaust manifold that there's a runner to each cylinder here, this makes it quite simple, right? So let's just shoot the temperatures on each runner here. 238, 242, 233, 95, 97 degrees. I think it's obvious which one is the issue here, right? Again, I've dummied up the cylinder here, guys. I've actually got the injector connector up here, so there's no fuel going to that cylinder. But that obvious differential in temperature is telling you there's a cylinder with issue number one. It's quick, it's easy. You can get these things for what, 20 bucks or something on sale these days? Quick, easy, and as I said, resort to the factors acronym for further isolation. Quick, easy, very little time. That's all well and good if you have an IR thermometer, you see. I don't have one of those. Well, in a pinch, use one of these, right? The amount of heat that's on the exhaust manifold will tell you the amount of steam that gets generated at what rate will tell you, give you a good idea how hot the runner is. Right? That's it, boys. Cheers.